Hi there guys, Sean here from 5 Star Marine with Jay!
Hello, I'm Jay!
Where's the cake?
No, that was ages ago.
Donuts?
No, that was ages ago. These videos are all... The problem is, and I'll explain the problem is, we shoot lots of different videos at different times and then we don't really know when they're all coming out.
No,
depends how quickly
the thing is,
edited.
you've been bribing me lately.
This is what actually happens. We have a plan of videos that are going to come out, and then as we've got this plan, then Sean sends a message going, oh, actually, I want this video out now. Oh, actually, can you send this video out now? So... The cake video happened ages ago. The donut video did come out. I don't have any donuts unless you want one of our lovely donuts.
Say, you have been bribing me lately with some amazing stuff. That cake the other day, amazing.
It was yesterday, but not yesterday on this video. But that
the
cake
donuts, amazing.
But that cake, can I just say, that cake video for these people watching now, for you watching now, was 2 months ago.
And for in case you missed it, here's the Songkran slow-mo video. Yeah, okay.
Oh, yeah. Good.
None of that has anything to do with what we're
ago.
talking about today. Anyway, what we're going to talk about is Similan Islands is closed.
Whoa, where is it on the map, Sean?
Yeah, it's this way somewhere.
Okay.
Similan Islands is closed. This is a yearly closure. It closes for 6 months every year.
This comes out on the 8th of May and
I'm
it's closing
confused.
next week.
Movie magic, let's just say it's closed.
Yeah, well, if you're watching this, it probably is closed.
Officially, the last day to Similan Islands is the 15th of May. Generally, though, here at 5 Star Marine, we will close it from the 1st of May.
Oh, right. So this video's late then.
Because we get quite concerned about the sea condition, and Jay's going to show you why. Similan...
Where?
Yes.
Okay.
Similan is out this way.
Right.
Okay. During our high or peak season, Jay's the wind.
Okay.
And the wind comes from Jay.
I was going to do a joke, but I won't do that.
Yeah, let's not.
So this is high season wind, yeah?
Yeah, high season wind. So use your hands, Jay, not your mouth. You can't blow hard enough. Okay, so the wind is coming this way.
It's not the first time I've blown with Sean.
So when we want to go out to Similan, we have Phuket and Khao Lak blocking the wind.
Oh, you want me to... See, if you explain what you want me to do, I'm just doing gentle wind from this way.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, I got it now. Yeah.
These two are blocking the wind,
Yeah.
so when we go 2 hours offshore, to the direct west, we are in calm sea.
Okay.
But we're going to swap around.
Yeah, no, I got it now. Watch this, Sean. I'm going to move this out of the way.
Around May, we get a change in the wind. And actually, we're in April right now, and we're starting to see the wind change. It's coming from... Actually, it's also coming from this way sometimes at the moment.
Oh, God, I'm tired.
All right, stop. Here. So the wind changes... in May, normally around end of April, May, it's going to change and the wind's going to come this way.
A little bit out of breath.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
This is weird being on this side. I don't like it.
So when the wind is coming from this way, that means when we want to take the boat to the west, we're going directly into the wind.
Oh, which means it's going to be a bit bumpy.
Exactly right.
Can we swap? I don't like being this side. Thanks.
So one of the reasons that Similan closes on May 15th is because the wind changes, the sea becomes rough, and the annual monsoon starts to come in, which comes in with the westerly wind.
Little drops of sunshine falling from the sky. Sometimes quite lots of drops of sunshine falling from the sky.
Yes. So this is why us as a company, generally, we will close it May 1st and we'll take what we call exception bookings, where if we see a great wind condition, we'll take a booking during that period and send the boat out, but it will generally be closed.
If there's a gap in the wind, we will go.
So the official closure date is May 15th. That's the last day.
Watch this. Put it on the screen, Kyle. May 15th.
All right, then it's going to close for 6 months, and the official open date is October 15th.
Watch this. Do this, Kyle. October 16th. Oh, shoo.
Actually, though, what will happen is in October, the wind is still coming this way.
Oh. Still a bit windy.
So we call this the Similan Islands green season. What that means is that the sea is still rough like this and you'll get green on the boat. Not really, no. It's just because everything has turned green because of the wet season. But with that said, generally for us as a company, we won't open up Similan until about November.
When we say turn green, it's because it becomes more lush. Not everything just goes green. Like we don't become island, or we don't become like, what's that lake? Not the river in America where they
So we're gonna cut it again and go straight to you. May 15th it closed. October 15th it will open. Similan's the only islands that do this. It's a 6 month closure, and I have good news for you.
Well, I want to talk about you don't want to talk the river.
Better news
the river on Irish.
I heard a little birdie from the national park.
Hello, national park people. You're my friends.
That said they may be opening in this new Similan season.
Yes.
Tashai.
Excuse me?
It's called Tashai Island.
Wasn't he a character in Street Fighter?
And it's a very, very beautiful island.
Oh.
Stay tuned for that news, because if it becomes official, we'll let you know, because in my experience, even more beautiful than Similan, Tashai.
I'm sorry, would you ever have a pink boat like that?
No, I wouldn't.
Can I just quickly film it?
No, you cannot.
I have to, because now I've mentioned it, Carl's got to put it in. Hold on. Yeah, pink boat.
Yeah, interesting. That definitely can't go to Similan, that boat, too small.
No, and it's pink.
Do note, when we do operate back to Similan, this year we'll have 3 boats licensed to Similan.
Really?
Yes, we'll have
Wow.
Lucas 11, Lucas 15, and Lisa 2, all 3 boats.
Oh, Lisa too, that'd be a nice boat to take there.
And we'll be some of the only Phuket departing boats that are 2-engine boats that are licensed to go to Similan.
You go swim with turtles.
So what we're going to do is we're going to leave you with a bit of a collage of what Similan's been like this year. And
nice.
all I can say is beautiful beaches, blue water, and lots of turtles.
All right. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the collage you're about to do. I'm a turtle.